In this video, I'll show you how to get into the Discord because it may be a bit confusing. Just follow along and we'll get you set up in no time. Before we begin, at the time of filming, Discord community member screening seems to have some problems on mobile. If you're having issues, try joining on a desktop PC or non-mobile device. Step 1. Discord community member screening. After you click on the link in the description, it will take you to the server welcome page. Me6 will direct message instructions and information on how to get into the Discord. Read the rules, then scroll down and click I accept. Step 2. Verification CAPTCHA. After you click accept on the Discord community member screening, a channel will show up called Verify Here. In that channel, you'll see a button that says Verify. Click the button and you will receive a direct message from the Wik verification bot. If it is grayed out or says the error interaction failed, make sure you turn on direct messages from this server temporarily. That way, the Wik bot can send you a verification CAPTCHA challenge through a direct message. After you pass the verification CAPTCHA, make sure to turn off all direct messages from the server. This is important because no one should direct message you unless they talk to you in the server first. Otherwise, it's probably spam. Step 3. Purgatory. At this point, another channel will appear called Purgatory, and the Verify Here channel will disappear. In Purgatory, you'll need to send 5 to 7 messages within 24 hours. Slow mode is enabled, so you can't send more than 1 message a minute. After you send a message at least once a minute 5 to 7 times, the rest of the server will unlock. This is the last step of verification. And that's it, you're in. If you like, it's good practice to update your profile picture so that you stand out from the crowd. Enjoy the wonderful community, and I hope to see you in the Discord real soon. Bye!